Idiomatic expressions. Idioms are words, phrases, or expressions which are commonly used in everyday conversation by native speakers of English. They are often metaphorical and make the language more colorful. Idiomatic expression, an expression whose meanings cannot be inferred from the meanings of the words that make it up. Example, hold your tongue. This idiom is not actually mean that you should stick your fingers in your mouth and grab a hold on your tongue. It means that you should not talk. Examples and their meanings. I'm feeling sick as a dog. Very sick. Rise and shine. Wake up and be happy. Hold your horses. Be patient. Every language has idioms, and they can be difficult to learn if you are not native speaker of that language. Note, it is important to remember that idiomatic expressions are used when speaking informally. They are not used in formal exchanges.